As a student, I've always wondered if it's better to study early morning or late at night. Some people say early morning is better as we have a fresh mind and it improves our focus, while some people say studying late night is better as it is more peaceful and better for our recall memory. I decided to end this confusion by studying early morning and late at night and comparing them both. Let's see which one wins.
It's 5 a.m. and it's unbelievably hot right now. My alarms have been going on. I don't even know how long. I've just been snoozing them. I wanted to get an 8 hour sleep, but I couldn't. I got about 6 hours of sleep. It's just practical. I went to bed early, but I just couldn't sleep. I'm gonna start the day. I'm gonna try to make it very productive. Want to be honest with you all, but I just used my phone for 30 minutes. I guess I was just letting the blue light wake me up. It did, yes it did, but now I just have so much guilt. I just said that I want to be productive. That was the least productive thing that I could do. That was my first distraction, and I just want to be honest about everything that goes wrong in this. Yeah, I'm up, we're gonna study now, promise. These are my thoughts before I start to sit. First of all, how the hell is it already 6 a.m? I don't know, but I'm gonna be studying till 9 a.m. and I only have 3 hours left. I just feel that I have a time constraint, okay? I don't know. I love this, but I'm literally using my stack of books as a tripod right now. Let me just show you. Wow! I'm studying gynecology. It is what I've been studying these days. I have my iPad ready. A lot of people ask me what I listen to when I have my headphones on. Mostly I have songs on. I have my study playlist on. But right now, I just feel listening to songs will give me a headache. So I'm going to be listening to some beautiful sounds instead, like rain, birds, and peaceful sounds, basically. It has only been 30 minutes, but it feels like I've been studying for hours. It feels like it's already been an hour, and then I checked the time, it was only 30 minutes, and I was like, what? My focus is definitely increased now. I stopped listening to the peaceful sounds because I can like literally hear birds chirping in real life right now, and it seems very peaceful. I've got my Little Miss Attitude mug here. It is 7:15 now, and I am bored and I'm hungry. Right now, I'm gonna be taking a break. Might just make myself some breakfast. I don't even know if I have anything. Then we're gonna be doing one more study session, obviously. So, a pot, induction. I realized that the bread in my fridge is expired, so I'm gonna go to the mess. Hopefully, it's still open. Got the full breakfast plate actually. I was about to make some avocado toast, but I think I'm just gonna eat this. What's up? I'm in such a good mood. I'm a lazy girl, okay? I just don't want to make breakfast, and I just got the option of not making breakfast. I'm just gonna take some bread and everything that I got from Mess and some avocado, and I'm boiling eggs. Sounds a lot, but yeah, I'm gonna be having a sandwich. Breakfast is ready, so is my book. I'm gonna finish it in 10 minutes so that we can have one last study session after this. I feel full now. I want to take a nap now. I really want to sleep again. I know I'm crazy or what, but the weather is so good. It is 8:10. I'm gonna be studying till 9 now because I have a class at 9:30. So after 9, I'll have to start getting ready for my college. session done. Guys, it is 9 a.m. and I need to start getting ready for my college. I'm getting late, but I just want to talk about the pros and the cons of this because there's so much to discuss. Okay, first let's talk about the pros. So the first pro was that I had a fresh mind, absolutely no worries about what happened yesterday. The next thing was that I felt very motivated. I just felt that most of the people in my hostel weren't up. It motivated me. Like, if I don't study, then there's no point of waking up this early and just not being productive. Like, no. Third thing, the focus part that a lot of people say when you are up early, you are more focused because it is quieter. I think it's quiet at night as well, so it honestly doesn't matter. I definitely felt focused. However, it's not like I felt extremely focused like I haven't ever before. But I did feel very tired. Like, even right now, my eyes want to just shut. I still have to start the day, guys. I haven't even started the day actually. It's just in my room right now, but I have to go to college right now, which feels so weird because मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि अब तो डे खत्म हो गया, अब तो सोने का टाइम आ गया. I feel like the tired part though is my fault because I slept very less. I slept like for 5 to 6 hours, so it was bound to happen. But that explains that this morning study schedule will require a lot of discipline if you want to do this every day, because that means you will have to sleep early no matter what happens. The last thing, which is a big con that I felt, is the time constraint. Like, even right now I really need to rush. अभी भी I have so many stresses कि अभी मुझे नहाना है, अभी ready होना, अभी college जाना है, अभी law book भर, like a lot of stresses actually. But apart from that, feel very productive. I feel like आधा पढ़ाई सेशन तो अभी से ही हो गया है. Like, अब मैं पूरे डे रिलैक्स कर सकती हूँ. Like,
After studying, I actually took a 10-minute nap before going to class. But I had to tell you all कि आज मैंने जो सुबह पढ़ा था वही आज मैंने OPD में देखा. It really boosted my confidence and gave me a lot of academic validation. So studying in morning was fun. But now it's time to see if studying late night is better.
Guys, it is almost 10 p.m. now. I'm gonna be seeing if studying at night is more productive than studying in the morning. I'm excited to see this because I personally feel that I'm more of a night study person, but we're gonna see how it goes. It's 9:30 right now. So hot in my room. I can barely keep my hair open right now. Anyways, I'm gonna head to the library right now to study. I'll update you all with all the pros and the cons, so stay tuned. Let's see how this goes. So by the way, these days I'm reading Imagine Me, the last novel of the Sharon Me series. I'm gonna take some nuts that I can munch because I feel like late night मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा munching and craving होती है. So yeah, guys, let's go.
My mama told me don't talk to people you haven't met. I guess my mama was right.
Okay guys, so now we have reached our campus. यहाँ पे we have our library or our reading room. So we're gonna go here to study because obviously मेरे room में AC नहीं है. Because obviously हमारे hostels में ACs are not allowed, but luckily हमारे libraries में AC होता है. So our plan is to go sit there because I'm sorry, but I don't think it is really possible to study इतनी गर्मी में with full concentration, and I want to be studying with full concentration so that I can compare both morning versus evening. Who do you think is winning right now? But anyways. It's been 30 minutes and I feel 0% sleepy right now. I feel completely concentrated and focused. So far I'm liking it. Guys, so we studied for an hour. Uske baad, I didn't even realize, but we took a 20-minute break just scrolling through social media. Distraction number 1. Now we are going to DC to get something to drink or to eat. Honestly, I'm not at all hungry, but I might get a coffee because why not? How is Akshaj feeling?
I just want to sleep.
A lot of people have a lot of doubts कि मेरी hostel की timings क्या है. Guys, we do have some timings, but they are not very strict or lenient because since I am in a medical college, there are a lot of requirements. कभी interns को बाहर late night duties involved होती है, तो it's not like that strict. So we can go and study, but we have to inform our warden before. But yeah, it's not that strict though.
This is too pink to be safe to eat. What do you think?
It tastes really bad. It tastes cheap.
It smells like a cheap perfume, so I don't even want to eat it. But
Guys, we have ice latte here. This is my first time trying this in my hospital ka canteen. I have low expectations.
Brother,
literally, you know what's going in my head right now? Aha, tomato, badi mazedar. Oh, tomato, badi mazedar.
Guys, another partner, another distraction. ये देखो पढ़ाई से बातें घूमने की हो गई है. One more person, one more distraction. यहाँ पे 3 distractions आ गए अब.
Geography से start करती है. Human population को बोलते हैं. ठीक है, population.
Hello, so I got out of the canteen. Akshaj is still there. He's teaching our juniors. कल उनका exam है तो he's teaching them some topics which is nice. But I thought to go back to the reading room and continue my study session. Also for some reason my energy level is like really high. Got some shitty ass coffee. Now we're gonna be studying.
I'm trying to get you on my mind less. But then again, I couldn't mind less. Got me like, what's in your coffee? I hope you call me and we can talk about our hobbies, yeah.
We're gonna go back. I'm gonna be studying in hostel now. So let's go.
Including phrases from the office. What's it like to wear that halo? So sweet it's painful. So would you put me on your payroll?
So we're going back to hostel now because someone wants to sleep. Someone is bailing out. So I'm gonna go in my room and study now, or I might go to my girls' hostel का reading room, whichever feels more comfortable. मुझे personally रात को पढ़ना पसंद है या सुबह?
मुझे सुबह उठ के पढ़ना ज़्यादा पसंद है.
क्यों?
क्योंकि मैं ज़्यादा रिफ्रेश्ड फील करती हूँ सुबह उठकर, और रात को बस मैं ये सोच रही थी कि कब ख़त्म होगा और मैं कब सोऊंगी. तो लाइक सुबह मेरी एनर्जी लेवल थोड़ा ज़्यादा होता है.
मैं एग्ज़ाम के टाइम सुबह उठ के पढ़ना प्रेफर करती हूँ, बट अदर देन दैट मुझसे सुबह उठा ही नहीं जाता. Guys, we're in the girls' reading room. मुझे लगा यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग होंगे and it's always so awkward to film जब बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं, but कोई भी नहीं है. So यही यहाँ AC है, so it's way better than my room. Back in my room, I did my night study session, late night study session. For me, this is late night because I usually sleep around 12 or 11. The first pro is so obvious. I'm assuming we all know about it. It is that there are absolutely no time constraints. I can do whatever I want. I don't have any task to do like rushing or getting ready for my college or rushing to take bath or breakfast and all. Number 2, the good thing. I don't know if it's that good, but I can get food. I like to know that there is an option that I can eat if I want to stress eat. Like just as I wake up at 5 a.m, I cannot order or I cannot go to my mess to eat. Canteens would be closed. You can cook for sure, but to get food it's harder. But in night, you can easily get food. Like 2 a.m तक तो सभी खुला रहता है. Okay, so my camera storage just got over, so I'm gonna finishing this on my phone. Let's talk about the cons now. The number 1 con is that the sleep cycles get effed up. Like even right now, I want to study till 3 a.m, but if I do, tomorrow is gonna be really weird. Sometimes I feel studying at night does make your sleep cycle really messed up. There were a lot more distractions compared to morning. Most of my friends are up late at night, so I do prefer studying with them or around them, and when that happens, I easily get distracted. But it's also more fun, kind of get a break without even wanting to take a break. That's all for the pros and the cons. But yeah.
I want to end this video by saying that if you can control the time when you wake up, you need to study in the morning, and if you can control the time that you sleep, then study at night. If you watched till here, then comment tomato so that I know that you're a real one, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, keep dreaming, keep smiling, and keep achieving.